Hi, Style Rebel. Welcome to today's style session. So for those of you that have been following along for quite some time now, you know that I don't like to follow any style rules. It's just not my thing. I feel like it takes away from your own personal style because we all have it. Whether you feel like you do or you don't, you do. It's inside of here. But there is one thing that I do love to suggest, and it's kind of magical when you see it happen in real time. Okay, so I'm going to show you that today. It's something really simple that can take your outfit from feeling kind of like drab to fab. If we have never met before, hello, and I'm so happy that you have found me. My name is Ginna. I am the creator of Style Rebel Mama, and I support women just like you, women on the go, busy, especially us moms, because I'm a mom too, and entrepreneurs, and elevating your personal style, your brand, and your visibility on social media. And so what I want to talk to you about today is this simple little magic trick that literally you could actually do this like while you're sitting in your chair before that Zoom or virtual conference call begins. Okay, so it's a simple trick, and it's really not a trick. It's just a simple action. So in my style sessions, my paid style sessions, and when I am speaking in front of a group of especially business women and coaching my one-on-one female entrepreneurs with their brands and their style together, I talk about a 3-step process to getting dressed that will really just elevate your outfit. And you can do this with any outfit. So you could do this with a t-shirt and jeans. You can do this with even like an athleisure outfit, any outfit. Okay, so step one, there's 3 steps. Step one is you add your top. Obviously, you have to wear a top unless, I don't know, maybe you're into other things, but typically we have to put on a top, right? So you put on your top, of course you put on your pants. That's not part of the steps because that's just a natural thing that we have to do. But step one, choose a top. Now, if you are in a huge rush, go for a solid color top. And by the way, if you don't have colors in your wardrobe and you have a lot of blacks and navies and neutrals, add a pop of color. Okay, so, and we can talk about color another day. There's if you go back into some of my past lives, I've done a training on how to create your own color palette. But color is really important to add to your wardrobe because it gives your entire wardrobe a refresh, and you can find simple solid color tops really anywhere. So that's step one. So grab a top. I've got obviously a printed top on today, and sometimes printed tops can take a little bit longer to combine with jewelry and with other things, but I'll tell you what, when I show you this little trick, it actually isn't as hard. Okay, so that's step number one. Step number two is my magic trick. Okay, you ready for this? It's very simple. You're gonna be like, really? This chick just came on just to show us this? But it makes such a difference. So it's adding a fashion layering piece, and a scarf can count, especially now for the fall and winter months. Now I'm in South Florida. We don't wear many scarves down here, although I have tons and I never wear them. But you can use that even as an accessory. It's not just for those cold months. It's just way too hot here to really wear a scarf. But so step two, I'm going to show you with a cardigan. Okay, so let's pretend that I don't have my earrings on. I actually just got off of a meeting, so I was already dressed up. But let's pretend that I don't have my jewelry on and I just have my top on, right? I do have pants on, I promise. So I put on my top, and now step two is I'm going to add a cardigan. So look at the difference. Even though my top, I do have to say, is a pretty fabulous top. I love it. It's from my cabbie stylist and girlfriend, Anna. But look at the difference that a simple color cardigan, and it's a great way to add a pop of color to your outfit. Look at how quickly it just completely changed my outfit. It really does. So some other examples of fashion layering pieces would be a kimono. Kimonos are amazing, and here, especially in Florida, we wear these all the time because they're very light, they're airy, but you can also get some fun dusters now for fall and winter that are longer, they're thicker, so they'll keep you warmer, as well as kimonos also. And then I'm going to show you one here with my little assistant, Angelina Jewelry. If you guys have never met her before, I love her because she's quiet and doesn't talk back like sometimes my kids do. Just kidding. So I also love, this is just honestly a simple little black dress, okay? You could wear this with boots. You can wear it with, you know, depending on the time of year, with sandals, even like cute little Skechers. But it's kind of plain, just all alone, right? So there's a few things that you could add to this. You could add a simple denim blouse that's a button down, okay? Look at how simple this is. So it's still pretty warm here in South Florida, but if I just added this and I like rolled up her sleeves a bit, and I'll pull my, I'll bring the camera down so you guys can see a little bit better. This, super simple, super, you know, casual and fun, and she is like on her way out the door. She could wear fun little Skechers, but there's one thing missing. The one thing missing is step number 3, and that is the jewelry. So if you are not a jewelry wearer, take a look at this. She has no jewelry on. Now, when I go to add some fun jewelry, look at the difference that her outfit makes with the jewelry. And it can be something just really simple. You don't have to go all crazy, okay? Just very simple. Light jewelry makes all the difference. So actually, I had this piece on, and if you notice, there is absolutely no aqua in my outfit, but it adds contrast. So you don't have to be matchy-matchy. You don't have to feel like, you know, if you don't have the right jewelry to match something because it doesn't have the color of your outfit in the jewelry, or you can only stick to gold and silver. Not necessarily. Actually, contrasting colors work really well. And aqua and yellow, or aqua and pink, this is like a rose color, look really, really amazing together. So that's step 3, is to put on your jewelry. So I want to show you a couple more examples. So other overlays, fashion layering pieces that you can use are, especially now for fall and winter. So moto jackets are super in. I love a nice moto jacket. And I have to tell you, this one I wear pretty much year round, even here in South Florida, that again, we are like warm months, I would say 10, 11 months out of the year pretty much. But a simple moto jacket like this can go a long way. And then I'm going to actually use this over Angelina so you can check out how this looks. And then I'm going to show you another necklace. Look how fun. How fun. She's like on trend right now with tall boots, tall black boots. How fun would that be? Or like camel color. And now let's add some jewelry to this. So, and all of the pieces that I'm showing you are actually from the new Premier Designs collection, which I do represent. Okay, so how fun is that with this moto jacket? And here's another quick little tip. So this moto jacket I got from New York and Company, I think about 3 years ago on their Black Friday sale. I want to know, do you guys go to the stores for Black Friday? I'm curious. I'm not a Black Friday in-person shopper. I never have been. In fact, I have something to admit. I've never been to the stores on Black Friday in my entire life. My mom doesn't do it, so it's just never been our thing. And even growing up, like it was never our thing. And I honestly, you can do all of it online and sometimes get better deals. So this is from New York and Company's Black Friday sale. about 3 years ago. I got this for like 30 bucks. Okay. It is the one place that I make sure that I shop on online for Black Friday. So make a note of that. So when the Black Friday rolls around, which is not far from now, we're what, like just like 2.5 months away. Oh my gosh, can you guys believe that? Is that how far away we are from Black Friday? Holy moly. So make sure to check out New York and Company. Okay, next one, really quick, is my favorite, my go-to, other than kimonos and cardigans, is a fun denim jacket. And again, denim jackets you can wear all year long, really, right? So that is another fun look. Okay, so that's my other example. Super cute. Now you notice the difference without that fashion layering piece. And in fact, the denim jacket gives it more of like a casual, more casual look than if you just had it stand alone like this. So I love to have a little fashion layering accessory piece next to me while working from home, because I'm now working from home all the time. I haven't gone yet to any face-to-face meetings with clients. So having this little cardigan next to me today has been great. Once I get on a Zoom call, I pop it on. I look like, wow, she really got put together for this meeting, but it's literally just sitting next to me. It didn't take much, extra time to do. And of course, my jewelry. So I still have, I keep pretty much my earrings on all day because I'm on and off camera on meetings, and then my fun necklace, which nobody can see, but just the fact that I know that it's on me gives me that extra mindset of motivation, being productive, and ready, honestly, to rock my day. So what did you guys think? I hope this was helpful. All right, guys, that was all for today's style session. If you want some more fun, in-depth style sessions with me, you should get into my free style group. And for that, we do Fashion Fix Friday every single Friday at 11 a.m. Eastern time. I'd love to welcome you in there. Just say the word group and I will get you in there as well. Okay, so have a beautiful day, and I will see you guys right here next week at 12:30 p.m. Eastern time on Wednesday. Bye.